Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C face wash. First, ensure your hands are clean to prevent transferring any impurities to your skin. Next, gently wet your face with lukewarm water. This helps prepare your skin by slightly opening your pores. Then, dispense just a small, pea-sized amount of the vitamin C face wash into your clean palm. This is usually enough for a thorough cleanse. Once you have the face wash in your palm, rub your hands together to create a light, airy lather. Now, gently apply this lather to your face using upward, circular motions. Be sure to cover all areas, including your forehead, nose, and chin. Spend about 30 seconds massaging the product into your skin, paying extra attention to any areas that tend to be more oily or congested. After massaging, it's time to rinse. Use cool water to thoroughly wash off all the face wash, ensuring no residue remains on your skin. Cool water helps to close your pores and refresh your complexion. Once rinsed, gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Remember, avoid any harsh rubbing, as this can irritate your delicate facial skin and strip away natural moisture. After cleansing and drying, immediately follow up with a hydrating toner to help balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for the next steps. Then, apply your favorite vitamin C serum to maximize the brightening benefits, followed by a good moisturizer to lock in hydration. For more great tips and deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below this video. Your skin will thank you for this consistent routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.